Oh, this is the snow out the back window here, and it's coming down good, big old flakes, as you can see. Now we're going to venture over this way a little bit. There's the patio, the deck. But here comes my favorite part that you'll all love, and it's Howard cooking.
Hello!
Let's see what's on the grill today.
Let's check it out.
What do we have on the grill today? We got bratwurst with onions and garlic and
A little bell pepper.
I feel like I'm at the state fair. And what else do we have here? On the other side over there.
Same thing.
Same thing, and then we're going to throw some burgers on there a little bit.
That's right.
It's just a wonderful time for cooking in this kind of weather, and better than that, it's a wonderful time for eating.
That's right. Amen.
You know I'm into the eating thing.
Amen.
The pine trees are starting to turn white. It's looking like a winter wonderland. I think it's, by golly, it's time for a song.
No songs for me, thank you.
Okay. What's it? Not the chicken dance. No.
No chicken dance. I ain't had enough beers yet.
Well, the weather outside is frightful. My golf game is so delightful. Gotta get some orange balls today. Play in the snow, in the snow, in the snow. Yeah, thank you very much.